Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Do SIM is active and that your account has an international or roaming add-on. This prevents surprise blocks. Once confirmed, make sure your phone is unlocked and has battery. Next, toggle airplane mode briefly, then turn cellular back on so the device refreshes networks. This clears cached registration. After that, open settings and enable data roaming. You do this now because many networks require a fresh registration to accept outbound roaming requests, which speeds the rest of the setup. Once data roaming is on, make your phone search for available networks and, if needed, select a partner manually. You do this when automatic selection stalls. Next, check the APN settings. Enter Do's exact APN parameters so mobile data authenticates correctly. Also, if you use dual SIM, set which SIM handles voice and which handles data. This ensures calls don't accidentally use the wrong line. Finally, save changes and restart the device, so the network applies the new APN and SIM preferences cleanly. You complete setup by testing voice, SMS, and a quick data transfer to confirm roaming connectivity and speeds. Once done, review roaming rates and enable a data cap or warning so you avoid high bills. Roaming can be expensive. If service fails, first restart the phone and reinsert the SIM to receipt contacts, then try manual network selection again. If problems persist, contact Do support and provide your IMEI, roaming error details, and account number so they can trace the registration and resolve authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.